Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, doing a trading strategy recap for the 22nd of May, Friday, and today was a very interesting day. Today we ended up with 2 trades and 8.5 points, not too bad, and the day basically went sideways the entire morning. This is one of those times. Sometimes the markets trade sideways, we do well. Sometimes they trade sideways, we don't do well. Sometimes they trend, we do well. Sometimes they trend and we don't do well. It's just part of trading. You can't expect to, be really great all the time. Sometimes you're going to be mediocre. Sometimes you're going to be great. Sometimes you're going to lose money. It's just the way the trading business is. And that's why we always talk about being consistent, being able to try to add money to the current month's P&L over and over and over again. So when we do have those days, we're not losing much. We have a little bit in the coffers to give. So anyway, today what we did is we basically watched the market gap down here, move up here. We did get long right here. We were able to roll that into a short up here and hold it all through this and then get out as it started to work its way lower. So that gave us 8.5 points, gave us a very good day, and we actually closed a little bit early. Going into Memorial Day weekend here in the US, there's really no reason to stick around. 8.5 points, that's a very good day. Some people would find that a very good week. That's a very good day in my opinion. Very good week is 20 plus points, 30 plus points, great week. But everybody has something different that they look for. It depends on how many contracts you're trading. Maybe you made 8 points, you traded 30 contracts. Well, that's a phenomenal day. That's a phenomenal month for some people. Some people it's a phenomenal week. Everybody's different. Everybody is working with a different size account. And that's why I do these videos like I do. 8.5 points, maximum profit potential ran 8.75 points. So we're well within that range. If the market ran 8.75 points and we only made 2 points or we lost 5 points, obviously there's something wrong in the way we read the market that day. And sometimes I get questions like that. How do you know when you just read the market wrong on a given day? You could have had setups either way and you just took the wrong one versus your methodology is not working at all. In theory, you should have tested your methodology before going live. That's what a paper trading account is for. A paper trading account is so you can learn the software you're using, learn the entry orders, exit orders. You don't want to be in the middle of a trade and forget how to set a stop, or you don't know how to set a stop. You've made your entry. You don't want to do that. So you want to learn your system first of all. Second of all, you want to test your system a little bit. You want to trade your method the same way that you would trade it in real time. How many contracts are you going to use? What are your setups going to be? Okay, we'll trade it that way for a little bit. See how it works. See how you like it. And then back test a little bit. Go back in time in other days and see how it worked. Because the market does go into different environments. 1998 was a different environment than 2002. You have different environments, so you want to be able to go back in time to look at it. So that way when you do get to the markets in real time, you know that your method works, and you know how to properly use the platform that you're on. Whatever charting or entry order, stop, exit orders, different stuff like that. So anyway, wanted to talk about that a little bit. I do get questions as per that. Some people out there say paper trading does not matter. Some people out there think it does matter. And I'm here saying it really does matter, because you need to figure out how to use your platform. I think that's really, really important, because I see people all the time, they don't know how to use their platform. They might exit a trade while they're trying to actually put in a stop. Maybe they're placing a market order rather than the limit order that they're supposed to be placing. So it's really important. So anyway, hopefully you got something out of what we went over today. You can always add to the conversation below in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.